Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kelly. I'm here, I'm in the raw, and I am ready to remodel this room. So if you've been following along on my journey on Instagram, you know that I've been wanting to redo my room for a really long time. I'm finally getting around to it. I ended up moving home after college just to save some money, stuff like that. And I know you're gonna be like, Kelly, it's contradictory to say you're gonna move home and save money, yet here you are, you're painting your room, spending money. I get it, but I'm planning on being here for a while longer, so you might as well feel at home, right? And I don't know, I was just kind of getting sick of like my high school room and like college room. I just felt like I'm past that stage. I don't want to, if I'm living at home, I don't want to feel like I'm still in those years, if that makes sense. Like I'm in a new chapter of my life, so a new scene is like fitting for it. But anyway, so the blue room behind me is no more. Okay, so this is the view that you get walking into my room. There's a hallway right here, walking in, and you see my dresser and my desk as well. And so I'll get into all that, but this is just like the general overview. So then you turn, I have like a really big arched window, as well as my bed, the lamps. I have a shelf on the wall over here, and then this room right here, that's the bathroom, and then that one back there is my closet. So I will be showing that to y'all as well. So I guess I can start with here. So I ended up painting my room a white color. It was originally like a brown, not a brown, a blue color. It's like a teardrop blue. So I went with this. It's a very light, creamy, like coffee tan color. I'm a big fan. And then I ended up actually going and doing a massive renovation. So here we go. Or not renovation, what's the word? A makeover. So yeah. So I ended up getting new bedding and taking the footboard off of my bed. And so now I just have the headboard. This headboard is from PB Teen, but I actually bought it from one of the Facebook yard sales from someone. It was in really bad shape, and I actually ended up spray painting it, but that was a few summers ago now. And then I ended up getting all new bedding. So the bedding here is a comforter and duvet cover from PB Teen. As well as the pillows. I ended up getting a new set of pillows. So I bought a Euro pillow, and then I tried to give it some dimension by putting a shorter pillow over there, but I have another Euro pillow that's like blocking the way, so it's probably counterproductive. So all the bedding is from PB Teen, except for the sheets are white, just your standard white sheets I got from Home Goods on sale. And then these pillows, I believe the orangey one, the lighter blue one, and the lighter blue one are from At Home. And I think that I got the navy blue one from Home Goods, I want to say. So I kind of got them from all over. But this is the overview of the bed. I love it. It's great. Super, super comfy. So you'll also notice that I got 2 new nightstands. These are both from Home Goods. They look like this. They have also don't mind my pajamas. I didn't really think about that through. So these are 2 of the nightstands I got. They have drawers on them. I got them from Home Goods. I think I paid about $80 for each, which is a pretty good deal. So I like them a lot. They bring out the brown in my room. The lamps I also got from, I did not get them from Home Goods. I got them from At Home. It's kind of like this like retro-y glass base, and then I got the lamp shades, and then that's that. So yeah, so I got the lamps from At Home, and then the nightstands from Home Goods. That's really confusing. But yeah, so I got those from there. These 2 macrame pieces above my bed I also got from At Home. These were purchased about probably like 2 or 3 months before I even painted my room. I just fell in love with the colors, and hence why I tried to pull from those for my throw pillows. So I tried to make it a little bit cohesive. So over here you'll notice I have the same setup. I have my water bottle there for my bed, which is great. And then I have this big arch window. You might remember that I had some curtains on it. So I decided to take the curtains down and just roll with it, because the natural light that came in was making my room look so much better than like with the curtains there. So I decided to take it off, but I'm always open to recommendations. So if you know how to dress arch windows, let me know. And then this is my dresser. This is actually a dresser I had from growing up. It used to be a pine wood dresser, and then about 4 years ago I decided to ditch the pine color, paint it, and stain like the top and then the front part and replace the handles. So I did that. It's been like that ever since, so just making the most of what I had. And then as far as the decorations on the top goes, so my favorite candle right now at the moment is the Sunwash Citrus from Bath and Body Works. So I got that burning. This vase I got from Home Goods. Actually my mom found it in the clearance section, I believe, and so I snagged that up for a pretty good deal. The cotton was purchased from At Home in their little floral department. So was the mirror. The mirror was also purchased from At Home. Love it. It gives it such a cool little look above the dresser. I bought this little tray as well from Home Goods, and I decided to put my Bible, my perfume, my jewelry, and then just like this little succulent plant, which I believe I also bought from At Home quite a while ago actually. So yeah, so all of those things were purchased from At Home or Home Goods. Down here I also have just like a little corner in a basket. This is where I keep kind of like all my beauty products and my camera equipment. It's not very glamorous, but it does the job. So when you step back, you have my desk here, and then you can see my door to the hallway. So this desk was purchased quite a while ago actually from Target. It's just their white standard desk. I also got this past summer, I purchased this desk chair from IKEA, and I love it. It's very comfortable. And then let's see, so the trash can in case you were wondering, is also from At Home. It's just a little tan trash can that kind of goes with the room. So I have my laptop, my phone, just chilling. This is usually where you can find me. I'm always working, doing something. So the lamp I actually got from Target in their decor section a few months ago, as well as probably the mason jars and all those things for my pens and pencils. The plant, the fake succulent in the container, was also purchased from IKEA when I bought the desk chair. The Alexa was, oh, she heard me.
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
Okay. Well, anyway, and then those are just, you know, my standard get-go. I believe the K, I've had this for years. The K above my desk, I believe we purchased from Hobby Lobby. The necklace holder I made myself. It's just an assortment of knobs as well. And I use it to hang my necklaces. The Faith, and this sign right here, it says blessed on it. I'm not sure if you can see it with the lighting, but it says blessed on it. These were also purchased from Hobby Lobby quite a while ago, just making the most of what I have. Still need to purchase hooks for my door, so hence why everything is just kind of like hung up there. So you turn this way, and the next thing I have on my wall is I bought this shelf. I didn't buy the shelf, I actually made the shelf. It's a Restoration Hardware knockoff. If you've seen their shelves, you know exactly what they look like. I made this myself quite a while ago, actually. And then I found these artwork pieces. I found the "You see the depths of my heart and you love me the same" from Psalms, that Bible verse. I found that artwork piece at Home Goods in their decor section. And then the cacti picture I found at Home and their decor section as well. The succulent on the left was found at IKEA the same time I purchased the other succulent and my desk chair, as well as the tin. The tin on the right with the lavender succulent was purchased at Home Goods with the Psalm decor piece as well. So I just have this on this wall. It just gives it a little dimension. I didn't really know what to put there. I might, when I save up, might get like a little ottoman or something for below it, so I can have like a little place to sit, put on my shoes, whatnot, you name it. So the bathroom is there. And then if you want a bathroom tuber, leave a comment below, let me know. And I can do one of those and do a little bit more in depth, as well as a closet tour. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching my room tour. I hope you liked it. That was just kind of like a general little overview. If you want me to go more in depth to something or how I did something, leave a comment down below. I would love to answer y'all's questions or show you more around or whatever it might be. So yeah, but I just thought I'd make it short and quick, to the point, so y'all can see my room and my little transformation that I did. Mind you, this was a pretty expensive transformation. I also forgot to show y'all, but I also did purchase a rug, which was probably the most expensive. I think I bought it for like 200 something on Rugs USA, but I'm a big fan. Also, all the little decor pieces add up, and the paint and stuff like that, so it was well over budget. But with that being said, I hadn't redone my room since my freshman year in college, or done a major reno like this since never. I've never done one like that, so I've just always done like little stuff like painting or, you know, moving my furniture around or whatever it might be. So keep that in mind. But with that being said, I'm gonna wrap it up. If you liked this video, give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe down below, and then leave me comments or requests for anything else you might want to see that's home related. I'm a big DIY girl, so things like that coming up. Put your requests down below and let me know. So, okay, back. Gotta go, guys, but I will talk to you later. Bye.